The website that I want you to go to is called Photopea. So www.photopea.com. Photopea is a free online program that allows you to edit your picture. So go File, Open. And if you remember from Photoshop, there's these things called shortcuts where you use the keyboard. So to open up, if you hit Control O, it's the same thing. Now I want you to go find that butterfly picture from the internet. So I saved mine under downloads. So here it is. Oh, before we continue, let me show you guys how to zoom in and how to zoom out, just because you might want to do that. Okay. So Photopea is a lot like Photoshop, and there's all these tools on the left side. The tool for zooming in is down here, and it is called the zoom tool. And if you click the letter Z on your keyboard, it's the same thing as clicking on the tool. And then you just click on the image, and that will zoom you in. To zoom out of the image, hold down the Alt key on your keyboard, and that will zoom you out. The other thing I'm going to show you really quick is how to move around. So go ahead and zoom in a little bit. Hold down your space bar on your keyboard, and this is how you move around. Okay. By the way, to undo something in Photoshop, Control Z will undo anything that you did wrong. So right now, this picture may or may not fit on your photographic paper. So we are going to cut the image so that it fits on your paper. We're going to go ahead and grab the crop tool now. The crop tool is the 5th tool down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 right here. Or if you hit the letter C on your keyboard, that's the same thing. Okay, we are going to trim the image now. Go to the crop tool, click on fixed ratio. We're going to tell it that the width is 3 units and the height is 2 units because the paper is 9 by 6. So 3 by 2. Okay, click on delete crop pixels because we want to get rid of the pixels once we crop it. So then I want you to bring in the corners and choose the part of the image that you like the most. Okay. So I'm going to keep this part of the image right here. Click on the check mark, and your image should now be the correct proportions so that it will fit on your photographic paper.